And here our front and back piece is ready. Can you see that? So all you need to do is to place it on your fabric, use a pin to secure it, and cut each part separately, both the front and the back piece. You cut them separately. Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel. Today we'll be cutting a short trouser or a short knicker, or whichever one you call it. I'll be using my marker, my paper, scissors, a tape measure, a pattern master, and a pattern paper. Now let's get into it. Actually, the short I'll be cutting today is for a little boy, and we'll be using I'll start by making a margin, giving a margin. And I'll have 2 inches on my for the waist folding. Then the length of my short is 15 inches, and I'll be adding 2 inches for folding. I will mark the same on the other side to get a straight line, and I will rule this way. I hope the marker is clear enough. Then on the waistline, I'll be using, since it's a knicker that I'll be using elastic on the waist, I'll be using which is the seat measurement, and the seat measurement I have here is 26, and 26 divided by 4 we have 6.5. I'll be adding 1 inch to it for ease, that is 7.5 inches. Sorry, I'll add my joining allowance at the side, which is 0.75, which I'll be using to join the back and front together. I love to use 0.75 inches. You can use 1 inch if you like. This way, this way. Okay, like I said earlier, I'll be using the hip, which is the seat measurement. The seat measurement I'll be using is 26 divided by 4 we have 6.5. I'll be adding 1 inch to it, which makes it 7.5. I'll mark it here. Then for the crotch depth, I'll also be using the same thing. I'll mark 7. For our crotch depth is also our seat measurement divided by 4 plus 1 inch, which is all same thing as 7.5 inches. Then I will still add the 7.5 inches here. Then I'll join it with a straight line like so, and I'll take it up this way. Now for our tie, the tie I'll be using for this tutorial, I'll be using tie 18, which is 18. The tie is 18, and 18 divided by 2 we have 9 inches. Then on this crotch depth line, I'll be adding the 9 inches, and also on the same line 7.5. I'm doing this for the sake of the beginners. Then you join it this way, then the circumference I have here is 14 inches. 14 inches divided by 2 is 7. Then we'll go this knee part. I'm going by ½ inch just to give it a little shape at the side, going by ½ inch. Then I add my 7 inches for the knee length, or you can, instead of putting the 7 inches here, with it's supposed to be 9 inches. You can just come in by 1 inch. That is, instead of the 9 inches, you use 8 inches. That is, instead of the 9 inches at the crouch, you use 9 inches just to give it a little bit of shape too. Can you see that? And here, join it like so. Can you see that now? Then at the crouch here, you go up by 1 inch or 0.75 inches. Go up by 0.7 inches. And I'll use my pattern master to join the lines like so. Now our front piece is ready. Now, paper scissors. Cut it up. Okay, also the front corner. Remember, we have a 0.75 inch for the joining at the side. That is to join the front and the back piece together. Yes, now we have our front pattern. Then I use the same to cut the second back pattern. We are cutting on a fabric. We are cutting directly on the fabric. Then for the back piece, I will extend the lines. I use a pin to hold it down like so. I use a pin to secure it so it will not be moving about. Use a pin. I see that. Then I will extend the lines. Then just at the center part, all around here, on the crotch depth. I'm so sorry, soulmates. I didn't know that the camera stopped recording. All I did here was, on the crotch depth here, I extended it by 2 inches, and at the waist region I extended it by 1.5 inches, and at the knee length, that is the full length, I extended by 1.5 inches. Then I connected it, and I also use my curved pattern. Like I said, you can use your armhole pattern, armhole curve, or you can just use this, and I use to connect it this way. Then our back piece is also ready. Then I will cut it. I'll cut it out. And here our front and back piece is ready. Can you see that? So all you need to do is to place it on your fabric, use a pin to secure it, and cut each part separately, both the front and the back piece. You cut them separately. And if you want to add pocket, if you like to add pocket to your own, and just go down from the, not from the beginning now, not from up here, from here you go down by 6 inches or 5.5 inches, since it's for a child. I love to use 6 inches. Then you mark it out this way. And you can just give it a mark here. If my video, the tutorial has been helpful, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and God bless you. Remember, Jesus is coming soon. Love you all.